In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft Bedrock on Oculus Quest 2 without PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to cover how you can play Minecraft on your Oculus Quest 2 without relying on a PC. So for this particular method, you will not need to have Minecraft running on a PC to get it to work in VR. However, something that I need to make extremely clear is that sadly, I did a lot of research and I don't believe there is a way to get Minecraft Bedrock to work. If you want to play Minecraft Bedrock specifically in VR, you will need a PC. The only officially supported method is to create a shortcut on a PC and run the game in VR while having the headset connected to the PC. But assuming that you don't have access to a PC, you will not be able to set up Bedrock. I apologize for the confusion, but if all you wanted was the answer, there it is. It is not possible according to all the research that I did. However, if you are willing to play the Java version of Minecraft, then you can follow along. And usually, if you own Bedrock, you also own Java. So for this particular method, first open a web browser. This can be directly on your headset or even through a mobile device like your smartphone. However, you will need to transfer files if you do this on a smartphone. So I highly recommend doing it on the Oculus Quest 2 instead. So open a web browser, visit sidequestvr.com, and in here look for SideQuest. You will be able to set up SideQuest VR. So download it through this link on the description. You will be redirected to the GitHub page where you can download the APK. If you know how to install APKs, you can skip forward, but if you have never used one, you will need to use something like Mobile VR Station to open the APK. This is essentially an installer, so choose the option to open this and install SideQuest as an unknown source app. So go over to your app library after you run the APK, and it is going to be available under unknown sources. Now open SideQuest. They are going to ask you to use this code displayed here on this link. So you open a web browser, go to this link and input the code and create a SideQuest account. This is going to be needed to allow you to play Minecraft. Finally, once you have a SideQuest account and you are inside of the SideQuest app directly on your Oculus Quest 2 without relying on a PC, you will be able to find QuestCraft. So choose the option to download QuestCraft, and the last thing to do is to use this code displayed here on the Microsoft website that they provide, microsoft.com/link, and you will be able to link your account using this, and then you can sign in, start playing Minecraft Java Edition in VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Bedrock on Oculus Quest 2 without PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.